Alright, welcome back to Nick Hart's Art. Glad you're here. Today's going to be a Bob Ross themed painting. We're going to do a oceanscape. It's going to be a nice fun one. I've been wanting to get back to doing some oil painting after getting a little too obsessed with the acrylic pouring, which is definitely fun stuff. Either way, let's go ahead and dive on into the video and I'll break some things down there. Right, so I've already done a majority of my prepping, which obviously painting the canvas black, and then I covered the top in phthalo blue, and the bottom I covered with Prussian blue with a mixture of phthalo green for the water, and then I proceeded to do the sunset colors at the beginning here when the video started. Here I'm just putting in some clouds, but unfortunately shortly after I ended up taking them out. I just kind of felt the sky was just a touch too dark, especially for the color of the clouds that I was getting. I think I didn't like it at all, so changed my mind and reworked it. But it's still kind of fun to watch how these clouds are done, because I liked how they looked better. And that, everybody, is how you erase clouds. And then I'm just adding a little bit more phthalo blue, because I felt that the sky became too light, especially in the blue area. So I just added more straight blue to darken it up. And then now I'm adding some darker clouds that kind of felt matched a little bit more. The exact same way that I did the first time, but again, I felt the first set of clouds turned out a lot better. That's okay. I'm not a professional. And just kind of fluff them up, blend them out. And then the fun part here is the waves of the water, just doing kind of a U-shape sweeping action. Which we're just putting titanium white on the brush since we already have the color on the canvas like I mentioned in the beginning. There I threw a little black in there to try and create some shadows, but wasn't really feeling it, so I just kind of tried to blend it out a little bit and blend it back in, make it not so drudgy looking. And super lightly blending out, just getting rid of brush strokes really there. And here I just wanted some distant, super distant islands. And here I'm just kind of tapping it out just to soften it up, kind of give the illusion of more distance, kind of a hazy look to it. But being as a silhouette, I don't really know how well that concept came out. And then here's the start of a palm tree that I also ended up not liking a lot. I didn't like what it was, how it was going. So here in a minute you'll see how to erase a tree. And then attempt number 2 at palm tree. Alright, as this painting's wrapping up, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I encourage you to subscribe for future videos, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next one.